Well, beautiful friends, I have something so cool to bring you today. This is my favorite home here in Washington Courthouse. And I told Steve when we came out, what if we could go by and we could see the gardener outside? Well, we've seen the gardener.
Here I am.
This is David.
Hi, how are you?
And he's telling me, how long have you lived here?
We've lived here 30 years, and I started gardening about 50 years ago. I'm 60, so I started when I was 10.
So your parents taught you then?
No, they had a gentleman that we took care of that he grew roses. He taught me how to grow roses, and that kind of got it started.
Well, that's neat.
Yeah, that got it started.
Now, are you from Washington, Courthouse?
Born and raised.
Born and raised here.
Born and raised.
And as we have been driving around today, it is just grown, like it's just getting revitalized is what the right word is. There's so many little cute restaurants. They're having a little art festival down there.
Downtown's starting to bustle.
Yes.
Yeah, it's really starting to take off again.
Yeah. Is there anything else interesting that you want to tell us?
The house is haunted. Yep, the house is haunted.
Okay.
We have a lot of ghosts running around here. We have a little girl that runs around.
Okay.
We think her name is Katie. So,
I believe in ghosts, so.
I do too. I
mean, if I have a ghost in my home, it's a nice one. That's what we want, the nice ones, right?
So we plant, those are neighbors. We plant 2,000 flowers, at least 2,000 flowers a year, and it takes about 4 days to plant. It takes an hour and a half every day to water, and it takes about 3 hours a week to weed it and to trim it back.
So when you say water, are you hand watering?
I hand water.
I do too.
Hand water. Yep.
In these old homes, we're not the luxury of all the fancy stuff.
Right. The window boxes up on the second floor, I have to use that wand over there, the 15-foot wand, to water the box. Everybody asks me, how do you water this?
Yeah.
That's with the wand over there.
Oh my
and
goodness.
So.
Oh, so happy I got to meet you.
Started out with one bed, and here we are.
Wow. And then what David was telling me too is that he has renovated homes around him. So I'm going to show you a few of the homes. His son lives in the house beside us, and it is beautiful too. This is prettier. It is beautiful.
This is really pretty.
Oh, is it? On the inside?
Gorgeous inside.
Well, your flowers are a little bit better than your son's. I'm just saying.
Well, I don't know.
No?
I don't know.
Maybe I gotta get
you have to go over and look. We got kind of a contest over here. His corner bed's a little taller than mine.
Uh-oh.
So we got...
It's a battling of the flowers,
got
you
a
guys.
little smack going on there.
Aw. Well, let me get to it and bring you all this beautiful color. Your color scheme is what again?
We used tangerine and orange this year. So.
And then mixed in with all his perennials, it looks gorgeous. So come along, you guys, and enjoy.
Have fun.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Oh my gosh, this is such a treat. This home was built in 1900, and I know we interviewed him, but he said he has 2,000 plants, and these are proven winter plants, you guys, so I'm not going to do the math on that. Are you guys? Oh my goodness. This is beyond stunning. Wow, looks like magnolia trees, 3 of them, and then urns in between it. I mean, is this not the dream border? Look at how beautiful these zinnias are. Wow. Look at these old windows. The statue. That is just precious. Look how beautiful the lady statue is. I think the urn with the statue in the background with the magnolias. Wow. Oh my goodness. I see something else I love. Look at the leaded glass with the lattice work. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, look at the bench, you guys. That is beyond. Wow, his statue game is on fire. Like, look at that, you guys, look. And then more fountains, more statues. Look at the beautiful yellow home behind it. Wow. I just can't get over, well, I just can't get over any of it, to be honest. The fence is gorgeous. This little shed back here is adorable. Little portrait here is stunning. Can you imagine every night coming out here with a cup of whatever you want to drink and relaxing on this porch? Wow. I'm still counting 2,000 flowers. I feel like he might have a little bit more, just my opinion. Beautiful hydrangea tree, or no, is that a mat? Yeah, that's a hydrangea tree. I love, I cannot get over these windows with the detail. I love his back little porch here. And he has been so kind today to let us, you know, kind of invade his little personal space. But I'm like this too. When people come to my garden, I'm like, come in. But this is gardening goals, y'all. This is what I love to do this. I love to come and get ideas from other people, because people are so creative and have such good eye for things that you might not think about. I'm loving these palms. I'm loving the cannas and the palms and the urns. I've seen some cannas downtown that I was loving. So that may give me a little bit of a inspiration to change my urns up. But look how adorable. I mean, this is his garage, but isn't it so sweet how it almost looks like a little potting shed? And just as simple as this little walkway, things like this just elevate your gardens. Wow, you guys, look how adorable. These houses are built in about 1870 to 1900s. This is the house with all the flowers that I love. David, this is his son's home. He gave me permission to come up here and film. I thought that was so very nice of him. And I have to admit it, his ageratum game is crazy good. That's ageratum, you guys. Oh my goodness. Look at the window boxes. And what David was telling me about this home was that inside every doorway has this arch motif around it. Wow, isn't that just so pretty? I'm just going to take you around a little bit here. He's got a few little statues as well. And look at this here. The trim of the wood with the awning and the fern hanging with the most adorable little old garage back here. With, look at those old doors on that garage. Wow. This is so pretty back here too. Just simple. And I love the weather vane there on top. Steve and I decided we're going to stop here and get a little bite of pizza, but I wanted to show you how adorably cute this building is. We'll let you know if it's yummy. Well, my goodness, this has been the best day ever, you guys. It's hot and it's sunny. It's a summer day. But how lucky was I to be able to meet the gardener of my favorite home here in Washington Courthouse.
And you can learn, like you say, this just going out, you can learn a lot from other gardeners. I've learned just a lot from, watching her, but he was telling us that he waters every day and fertilizes once a week. And that's something that we've learned. I mean, she's watering all the time. There's days I don't seem like I never see her, but anyways, it is a lot of work, and but it was so much fun to meet him. He's a very nice guy. We had a lot of fun.
Yes, David was very, very kind to us. And he's using Proven Winners plants, you guys. I didn't use very many Proven Winners this year. And what's that mean, Steve?
We got the guys, or whoever, you got to step your game up. I guess I got to let her spend a little more.
So my budget for flowers just went up, you guys.
Yep.
Thank you guys so much for joining us today. Go find a really beautiful garden in your neighborhood or an old town and go find your passion today. Thank you guys.